Exposing the secrets of smart saving. You need to watch this if you struggle with money management. First up, Personal Finance 101. It's all about managing your income, expenses, savings, and investments. Think of it like a game. Earn, spend smart, save, and grow your money. Now let's talk budgeting. A budget is just a plan for your money. Start with a simple spreadsheet or a budgeting app. List your income at the top, then your expenses. Make sure your spending is less than your income. If not, trim those expenses. Saving money can be fun. Cut down on small expenses like coffee shop trips or find deals and discounts. Every little bit adds up. Lastly, let's crack the credit code. Your credit score is like a financial report card. It's based on your payment history, amounts owed, and more. Pay your bills on time and keep your balances low to keep that score high. There you have it. Personal finance simplified. Now go out there and master your money.